Hi, I'm Dan Hunter. I'm the Dean of Swinburne Law School, and I'm happy to welcome you here today.
This is not just another law school. Swinburne is actually a niche law school. We're offering a specialised law degree, one which specialises in technology, innovation, intellectual property. You will become a good analyser of information, sifter of information, a good researcher.
There are lots of different sorts of students who do well at law. You know, you can be a barrister, you can be a commercial lawyer, a suburban solicitor. Maybe you do something completely different with your law degree. But in the end of the day, you want to actually make the world a better place. Law is good for that. Universities are big places, big institutions, and that often is a challenge for lots of people. The thing that's great about Swinburne, it's different from most other universities. People are really functional, you won't get lost here. I know the name of every one of the students in my law school, and in fact they have my mobile phone number because I texted every single one of them and invited them to our launch.
The vision I have for myself in 5 years is having graduated successfully from my double degree, having attained both my Bachelor of Arts Psych major and my LLB, and being in, I think, the liberal position of being able to decide where it is I'd like to go from there. Of course, I'll have law as an option, and whether that be in a law industry as such, broadly speaking, or in practice, and of course I'll have the option of psychology as well.
So we've got a really great staff. We've got a really good bunch of teachers who've had lots and lots of experience. They're also really engaged in pastoral care. They want to make sure that the students do well, and that when they're not doing well, when they're not turning up to class, they'll reach out and actually make sure that the students are doing okay. The facilities here are fantastic because we're a brand new school. We have this amazing new moot court. You know, it still smells, you know, fresh and new.
This is a small law school. You'll be working in small classes, and we know that the outcome for students in smaller classes is better. Intellectual property clients come across the whole gamut of the whole business spectrum, whether it's through the protection of a trademark as a business person, as a company. Perhaps it's the protection of a patent that you as an innovator or an inventor have designed and spent many years developing.
We're also doing a couple of things which are really unusual. You know, so one is that we're giving them the sorts of skills that enable them to operate in the digital age effectively, right? So that they can actually go out and work for media and entertainment companies or fashion houses or advertising agencies. And we have people working with industry and professional firms, organisations at the moment to arrange for those sorts of internships that will give them the sorts of networking and skills that will enable them to get jobs quickly once they graduate.